Alright, creators, listen up because I'm about to drop some serious YouTube knowledge bombs. Want to skyrocket your views without making a single new video? Then pay attention, because these are 8 YouTube settings you must turn on right now if you want to explode your growth and rack up those subscribers. Most creators are clueless about these hidden gems, so let's dive in and give you that competitive edge. First up, we've got channel tags. These bad boys live inside YouTube Studio under settings greater than channel. Think of them as the secret sauce keywords for your entire channel. Load them up with niche-specific terms so YouTube knows exactly who to recommend your videos to even before you hit that upload button. It's like giving the algorithm a cheat sheet for your content. Next, let's talk upload defaults. This is a massive time saver and SEO booster. Set default descriptions, hashtags, and links for every video. Now, each new upload automatically has your socials, niche keywords, and 3 killer hashtags built in. It's like giving YouTube a head start every single time you post. Talk about working smarter, not harder. Here's a visibility trick that lines change your game. Always set your video to unlisted for 12 to 24 hours before going live. This sneaky move lets YouTube scan, process, and test your video data before recommending it. When you finally hit public, it already knows the perfect audience to serve it to. It's like warming up the crowd before your big performance. Now, let's tackle the notify subscribers setting. Use this one carefully, because it can make or break a video. If your new content fits your usual niche, leave notifications on. But if you're experimenting with something different, turn it off. This way, YouTube finds the right audience instead of spamming your loyal subs with content they might not care about. Smart, right? Manual chapters are an absolute must. Never ever use automatic chapters. YouTube usually botches them completely. Instead, take 5 minutes to add your own chapters in the description. It looks way more professional, keeps viewers watching longer, and gives you total control over how your content is presented. It's a small effort for a big payoff. Don't forget about end screens. Add these to every single video. Suggest your best performing content or a binge-worthy playlist. This keeps viewers glued to your channel, boosts those precious watch hours, and makes it way easier to hit that sweet monetization threshold. It's like creating a YouTube rabbit hole with your content at the center. Here's one that might surprise you: turn that remix setting on. Yeah, I know some creators hate it, but hear me out. It allows other people to clip and reuse your content. For small channels especially, this is free marketing gold. You'll get extra reach without lifting a finger. It's like having an army of fans promoting your stuff for you. Last but definitely not least, we've got a brand new setting: comment moderation. Head to settings greater than community and crank up those moderation filters. Spammy comments are credibility killers. By blocking offensive words and sketchy links, you keep your channel looking sharp, protect your brand, and encourage real, meaningful engagement. It's like having a bouncer for your comment section. So there you have it, creators. These are the 8 YouTube settings you need to switch on right now if you want to give your channel an instant growth boost. Which one are you firing up today? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and hit subscribe for more YouTube growth hacks that'll take your channel to the next level. Remember, in the YouTube game, knowledge is power and you just leveled up big time.